Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Sony FX camera. So we get a wall charger, a USB-C cable to USB-A, we get a battery, and here's what the camera looks like. So it is an E-mount camera. This is the cover on the front. It looks really nice. Here's the screen. It does rotate. And I can rotate it that way so that I can see it, or I can store it. It does have a cold shoe mount or hot shoe mount right there. It does have quarter 20 threads on the sides for mounting accessories. Here's what the bottom looks like. And top, lots of buttons. So here's the battery that it comes with. Looks like it's the Z battery. It's the model number NP-FZ100. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's put the battery in. Looks like the arrow, the flat side's gonna go towards here. Just slide it in. Close the door. Okay, so let's open up the side slot here. You're gonna push down and then push back. Then it just springs open. Here's kind of a close-up of the SD card slot. You have slot 1 and slot 2. And so the manual says both slot 1 and 2 support CF Express Type A memory cards and SD memory cards. Okay, let's put an SD card in. So I like there's a little picture there to show you that the slots there are facing that way. So you just push it in and it stays in. There's what it looks like. Then if I want to take it out, just push it and it pops up. It's very, very easy. Push this down and close it. On this side, there's some doors. We got a full HDMI port on one side. These are very easy to open up. We got a micro USB and a USB-C. This is how you're going to charge it, with USB-C, headphone jack, and an earphone jack. And so this has a fan inside it. There's like an opening here, opening here. You can see it's going to cool things. Here's kind of a close-up of the front of the camera. Here's the wall charger. It's got USB-A out on one side. You plug it in. Input is 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 1.5 amps for 7.5 watts. And again, here's the cable. So I'm going to plug the cable into this. I got to plug this into the wall outlet. Then we're going to plug this. This is a nice heavy duty cable. Now let's plug it into the USB-C port. And now it is charging. We can see right up there. Okay, let's do some measuring. So overall, it's about 5 inches that way. You know, at its widest point, you're looking at about 3 inches. Up here, about 2¼ inches. Height-wise, you're looking at about 3 inches. Again, that's about 2 inches. The screen's about 3 inches. Yeah, it feels really nice in your hand. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.